guys, welcome to the Food Diaries. In this video, we will be making Farshi Puri. The ingredients needed for this recipe would be plain flour, cumin seeds, black pepper powder, salt, some oil and water. For making the dough, add some flour in a bowl, add some black pepper powder, add some cumin seeds. You can crush the cumin seeds with your palms. Add some salt. Add the oil, or you can also use ghee instead of oil if you want to make it with ghee. Mix all these dry ingredients and prepare a dough. Add some water and make the dough. You will need to add water in parts as needed. Make sure the dough is not very soft. Divide the dough in small portions and make balls to create the puris. Roll it very gently. Using a fork, make some holes in the puri so it doesn't get puffed when you fry the puris. Now you can fry the puris on medium heat. Make sure your oil is not too hot. Fry the puris until it turns light pink in color. You can gently flip the puris on the other side so it can cook on the other side as well. Cook until you can see the other side also becoming pink. So our puris are done. You can fry all the puris similarly. And that's how you make crunchy Farshi Puri. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe. Please click the bell icon